is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got special guest Stumpy from Little Rock, Arkansas. That's North Little Rock, Arkansas. He's going to be talking about the Kroger store there and how wonderful it is and all the nice people that are there and the crazy noises it makes. We also have our review of the day. This is Acecook Baby Star. Yes, Baby Star makes instant noodle snacks in Japan. Acecook once again with another one of these Franken mashups. You might know them from the Acecook and sour cream and onion Pringles yakisoba, which is, you're a filthy person if you like that, I gotta say. But they still make it. And yeah, so what's going on, Stumpy? Tell me about your favorite grocery store.
Oh, Kroger, yeah. Kroger's my favorite grocery store because it has one of those self-checkout things.
Yeah, but shouldn't you get paid? Shouldn't you get a discount if you're using self-checkout?
Seems like you should, yeah.
Yeah, that's something that's always bugged me. It's like, I want to get a, come on, give me a nickel. It's still a lot cheaper than employing somebody. Personally, I like the. I don't like self-checkout. I mean, there's the fact that I can't see very well, but just the whole. You actually have to talk to somebody, and generally, in my outings, I don't have to talk to anybody. So I figure I'll talk to a human. Why not? They're there.
And the annoying beep that you hear,
Yeah.
That is each person that walks in and out of the store generates a really horrendously loud beep noise.
Oh. Kind of like at 7-Eleven. The bing bong. Dude, there's a place called Family Mart in Taiwan. Oh my god. So it plays a tune. It's like bum ba da 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 dum bum 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 ba da da ba dee bum ba da 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 every time. It's like the poor people that work at that place must get some kind of special death benefit. I don't know, but it's like if you want to go absolutely insane, work at Family Mart. Unless you really like that song. I just don't understand how anybody could handle that. Okay, let's get her ready. There. Oh yeah. It looks kind of nasty outside. Looks kind of rainy. It's been getting cold. They already talked about having the first frost of the season. That's early. If it gets down to 37, if it got down to 37 degrees this morning at SeaTac, that would have been the record low for like ever at this time of year.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I'm excited. They're talking it's going to be a La Nina, and the second La Nina winter in a row. I haven't heard anything from that Cliff Mass guy yet, but I'm sure I will. And he'll probably just say, you know, the media is crooked and they're out to get you and blah, 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 blah. Thing is, though, that guy's usually, like, right, but he just likes to mix the whole political thing in with it. Not into that part, but the guy's no slouch when it comes to weather prediction and meteorology. He has, like, a doctorate in meteors. Hey, so what do we have here? Oh, everybody's favorite. It's corn. Little piece of corn here. Very sweet, very good. So in my remarks about this one in the post that I've written so far, this smelled like breakfast cereal to me. This instant noodle.
Any particular kind?
It's Baby Star Pirikara chicken. Pirikara means spicy. But so far I tried that piece of corn, it was very sweet. But Baby Star is a company that makes snack instant noodles. So like you'll have a bag of fried instant noodles that you just crunch on. Sometimes they'll have like a spicy one, a regular one, a soy sauce one. A lot of time when these companies do it, they've got like barbecue ones. But yeah, it's kind of weird. Let's give it a try. The noodle isn't bad. It kind of reminds me of Nissan chicken ramen, but with a regular instant. There's our broth. You can't even see that. Here. Ooh, let's get that little star in there. There's a little star. There's little stars. Yeah, see, little baby. It's like a little tiny star, like a baby star. Opti grabbing it. Well, it's not bad, but I'll tell you right now, it's about as spicy as chocolate pudding. I don't know. I'm not getting any spicy out of that. Oh. There's something in the back that's kind of like, maybe there's like the tiniest bit of like pepper extract. I don't know, but it doesn't taste like a standard kind of spicy. That's for sure. So here's our noodle. I'm gonna have to say it, I really like the corn in this one. Sometimes corn really goes well, like miso. This is not miso though. Okay, can you see now? There you go. And we're gonna add some chicken. See, I used some of this chicken on the last review. It's basically, I'm reusing chicken. Is that bad?
I don't think it's bad.
All right, it's not bad. And then we need onion. Gotta use more of this Laogan Ma. We'll mound of that right about there. Laogan Ma is the gateway drug to happiness, I tell you right now. There's not much in the world, or I don't think there's many humans in the world that can say I don't like that to that stuff. You know what I mean?
Sure.
That's right. All right, let's get this thing out. Ramen, yeah. How? Good enough for me. And there goes Rotato. Oh, we need to go that way. Go down a little bit. Get all up and close and personal with it. There you go. And let's have some rotating music. Not that. Not that. Not that. Not that. Okay. for watching today, and a big thanks to Stumpy from North Little Rock. Thanks, man. Been a while.
You're welcome. It's been fun, man.
Yeah, we'll have to do this more often. And this episode will come out in mid-January. So is there anything you'd like to ask of tell the future, ask of the future, of the present, or anything like that?
I'd like to ask the future for a job that makes me money.
Okay. Future, do that. Do that for Stumpy.
Yep.
All right, cool. This has been Noodle Ramen, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. There will be more tomorrow, and bye.